everybody, I'm Mike Desepoli and welcome to the Heritage Market Minute for Monday, June 7th, 2021. We hope you all had a great weekend. Markets are flat to start the week here as the major indexes are about 1% away from all-time highs. Very normal to see some kind of muted action, right, as markets approach all-time highs. Markets have a tendency of probing new levels, advancing, maybe retreating back a little bit and testing out, finding firm footing, if you will, around all-time highs. So very normal to see a pause near all-time highs. What comes next is more important, is we want to see a meaningful, powerful move higher, a kind of a break to new highs, if you will. So coming off of last week, on Friday, we had the jobs report, adding about 559,000 new jobs in the month of May, falling a little bit short of the expectations of 670,000. And reiterating this to you because, in our view, it is very much cooled the narrative that inflation is going to be a very big problem in the near term. Okay, inflation creeps over time, but there was a lot of concerns if the labor market got too hot and the economy as a whole with the reopening narrative got too hot, that inflation moving up would force the Federal Reserve to raise rates, right, the interest rates. So here we are, we think inflation in the near term expectations have cooled, which gives the Federal Reserve a little more time to be patient, keep their foot on the gas, if you will, as far as driving this recovery forward with low interest rates. The 10-year yield is what we look at as an indicator to whether or not the bond market agrees with our assessment of inflation, and 1.57% on the 10-year yield, virtually unchanged now for the last couple of weeks. So we think the market agrees, the bond market agrees, that the fears of inflation in the near term have been put off to the side, which should put a nice bid under growth and tech stocks. So again, looking this week, watching the market action, watching the price action. Will the NASDAQ continue to lead, going for 5 consecutive weeks higher this week if it can close higher as we move here into the month of June? If you have any questions, reach out to us. As always, we'll be back on Friday with the Heritage Market Pulse. We hope you have a great Monday, and we'll see you later this week.